Okay, ahora sí. I don't know what was going on, but it letting me do something here. Okay, now it's good. Here. See this account that you're seeing here? This is my Google account, but it's the school at Google account. See, with my pvasquez.us. Now this account, um, if I check my Outlook, it's gonna give me the Outlook of the school. So in order for me to create a new account, I will have to log off from this account. I will have to sign out completely from this account. See, I'm not only signing to Microsoft to my school account, but also signing to Google. So let me close that window. See, notice that I'm not signing to anything. Now, if I go right here and I sign in, it will give me now the option to either sign in with this account or use another account that I have to log in. And sometimes when I need to log into the county, I use this other account. See, let me see if it will do it. Here, this is my county account. It looks similar to my district account. It's different at the end. So when I sign into this, look at my county account takes me to the Riverside County Office of Education site. So you notice how different this is? Let me do it again here. And when I sign into my district account, which is this right here, it takes me to the Microsoft website. So each account has different things. And this one, like this is my COD account, which I don't even remember my password. Because you can have several accounts in one browser. See here I have two accounts that are Microsoft. I have my Microsoft from COD and my Microsoft from the school district. Let me see if I save my password. See, when I sign into my sorry, but you're having trouble signing you in. I don't know why. Yeah, they're very because I think the semester ended because I only signed up for the semester.
No, but they just redid everything. They just changed the entire everything about the website, everything about the sign-in, everything about Web Advisor. We have completely different now. So I don't know.
That's why you're having a hard time too, also getting stuff through, huh? I imagine.
I just got frustrated last week, and I'll just watch this week because something is with my account that I can't create a separate Outlook account because it's all tied into everything.
Look,
COD, yeah. And now it's completely different.
See, look at I'm having this error, so I'm not even able to log into the COD account.
Right.
Now let me show you something else here. This account is all set in what? In Google Chrome. That's the reason why I use a different browser for this class. I switched to Microsoft Edge. This is another browser. I don't have my school account here. I have my own personal account here. See, one that I come up with, the one that I invented. I was 59 at outlook.com. I just created that the first day that we were in class when I was showing everybody how to create their account. I myself created this account because I didn't have this. So I use different, my point is that different browsers for different things. This browser, which is Microsoft Edge, like it's not, share. See, it's Microsoft Edge. It's not Google Chrome. I don't use Google Chrome for Office. I use the Microsoft program. Since being Microsoft and it's a Microsoft website, so might as well use that for my school account, because we use Google Classroom. I use Google Chrome for my Google Classroom account. So you know what I'm saying? I use the browser for different things. If you can understand that, let me just sign in here and show you. When I say sign in, I'm gonna say yes. Because this Google Chrome, I specifically use it for the school account, nothing else. That's where I have my classes from the morning. Look at, see? All this is what I use in the morning for my class.
What happened?
Yeah, this is Google Chrome.
Ahí ponlo, be quiet, I'm in class.
And Microsoft is for the Microsoft Office 365 account. Now, if I wanted to do something else, I could use another browser. Well, how many browsers can you have? It doesn't matter, it's not limited. It's how many applications can you have on your phone? A lot. So then they all do different things. Same here, look at, I have this other browser here. Just came up right now, so let me switch to it. This browser, I use it a lot for personal stuff. That it has nothing to do with the school at all. Sometimes I use it for the county. See, I have the county account here. So, but this is another browser that I can use. And it's this one, right? I don't sign into anything because I don't have anything on it. If I go to Google, I have no sign in on this. Could I sign into my other personal account here? Yeah, I could sign into my, see, because I don't have an account here. I can sign in with I have an, see, as I use it for this other one, Pavlos59@gmail.com. This is another account I have. Let's see, I'm signing right now to my Google account using this other thing. Look at this one is called Brave. It's another browser. So that's one thing, you know, that you guys want to try, you know, using different browsers for different things. It's perfectly okay. Because see, if you want to use Google Chrome with one account and then switch to another account, you have to log off completely, and it's a pain. And the browser gets confused too, because you have too many things on the same browser. That's the reason why I didn't want to use Google Chrome for this class. That's why I use Edge, Microsoft Edge, which comes built in on any PC as part of the operating system. All right.
Hey, aren't they getting rid of, they said they're getting rid of Internet Explorer in the next couple of years?
Oh, Internet Explorer, they got rid of it already a few years back.
Well, I mean, like finally, like phase it out, because they said they're still using it in some parts areas.
Yeah, all computers. If you have a Windows 7 computer, it has a Windows, what is it, Internet Explorer.
Right.
But Windows 10 doesn't use it anymore. It uses Edge.
Right.
But that's what it is. It's just the browsers, and that's why I think one of the problems that I realized that some people were actually, yeah, you can use any browser to log into anything, and the thing that I like about this, different browsers do different things. Edge is not the greatest browser, but I use it because it's Microsoft browser, and I use it for the Microsoft Office 365. Brave is one of those browsers that it has a lot of security, meaning that they don't collect your information. It's not like Google Chrome that follows you around when you type something. Edge also does it. When you type something, and they basically target you for advertisement a lot. Google Chrome does it too, but Brave doesn't do it. It's the thing. That's why it's one of those browsers that is kind of like, you know, they don't track you down. It's known for that. Okay, it's not a tracking one. Yeah, you could not to log into Microsoft Edge. To log into Microsoft Office 365, you can use it. Okay, Microsoft Edge is a browser. To log into the Microsoft Office 365 website, look at, I can log in from here. If I go Microsoft, I think it's Office 365 login.
1 minute. Okay, say that again.
Here. So I'm in Microsoft Office. See, it's telling me to use the Edge, but I don't want to. I'm using Brave. I can sign in here. See? And I have signed into my other account, to my RCOA account from here, because that way I didn't want to get the other thing confused. It will take me here, and then I have to type in my email there. I don't know if it works. US. Let me see if I don't remember the password. See, that's going to be a problem. I don't remember the password. This one it's a long password generated by the computer. I have it somewhere. I have to look it up, but as you can see, yeah, you can sign into anything from here, you know, to any of your accounts. It's kind of like, it looks like if I'm using Google Chrome, but it's not. This is my Brave. This is the other browser, Brave. See, this is a new tab, and it has a lot of security. The nice thing about Brave is that it see, look at what it says. Today's top stories in a completely private feed. So they don't target you with advertisement or any of that. And it has automatic pop-up blockers. So when you go to a website, it blocks the advertisement automatically. So if I use Google, like for example, if I go to YouTube from here, show you YouTube. Yeah, one of the things that I go to YouTube here and play, I'm not signing with any account, so I just play any video here. Look at what happens. No advertising. And I'm logging, right? Sorry, I'm logging actually. And but yeah, it's one of the things is I'm already logged into that account, so somehow I'm logged in. But anyway, here it allows me to and it looks like if I'm using Google Chrome, it's just a browser. All the browsers, let me tell you something. All the web pages have a specific code that allows the all the browsers, when they see the page, they will open the page exactly the same way. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but all the browsers have let me just close all the windows here. See, I created this page the other day, just this page right here. I wrote it, look, let me show you. See this code that you see? Okay, what's going on here? Oh, here it is. See this code right here that you see here? This is what we call HTML code. This code, I wrote it just to show my students how you can look at this page. I put more stuff here. Let me, this is a very simple page. Look at, let me save it. Save as. I'm gonna make it into a web page, and you'll see here. And I want to show you. I'm gonna open it with different. Okay. This code right here, I just created this page. Look at. Here is the page with Google Chrome. I'm gonna open the same page with Brave. It looks the same. See? And I'm gonna open the same page with Microsoft Edge. See? They'll look the same. The code makes the page show exactly what I want. Look at just for example, if I go PG color equals. Let's show you this really quick. Light blue. Now, if I save this, save as. I just changed the color of the page. So now look at when I open it in Google Chrome. So you notice the color is blue because I changed the color. If I open it on Brave, it's also blue. Why? Because the browser reads the code and it displays the page accordingly. So all of them can can actually display the same thing. Look at, see that? So all the pages have this specific code that allows the browsers to interpret the code and then put on the screen whatever they need to put. See, so this is just a sample page I created just to show the students that also okay, if I want to do the when I go right here and I go view the source, here's the code. Look at the code that I was creating right here, where I put light blue for the background color is right here. So the code is there. If I open this exact page with Brave, the code will be the same. See what I'm saying? They interpret the view source. They interpret the code. So it doesn't matter what browser you use. They're all the same. They all do the same. Of course, more people are used to using Google Chrome now, but they're all the same. Because you know what? The way it's just people for convenience. You know, it's like Internet Explorer, as Keith was telling us. Internet Explorer was the most popular browser ever. You know why? Because it came built in with Windows. When Windows 95 came out, it came with Windows, the Internet Explorer, and everybody, and it had that Internet Explorer icon right there on the desktop. So people just for being convenient, they just started using that. It wasn't until people noticed that it was a horrible browser and had a lot of errors and it will get infected really easy. And then Google Chrome came out and just basically dethroned it. It became Google Chrome became the favorite. And Google Chrome, the browser is really good. The reason why we use Google Chrome is because we get confused Google Chrome with Google Search. You can do Google Search on any browser. Okay. And Google Chrome comes with the Google search built in. And we make this confusion, this error thinking that you can only use Google search if you use Google Chrome. No, you can use Edge and use Google search. Look at. So if I open another tab here, see, Bing is the default for them, but I can go Google and just Google that right there, and I can do the search right here. See what I'm saying? So I can use search. I can do Google search at any time. I need to sign up in this. See? I can do Google search on any browser. So it's not specifically exclusive for Google Chrome browser. Google Chrome browser is one thing, and Google website is a different thing. Okay. Yeah. I was just trying to explain that so you guys understand that those two things are different. Okay. So let me close this right here and go to my close this test page. Here it is. All right. So far, if you have this file, you were able to download this file. The spokes is the file that we wanted to do. Here it is. It's the one we started last time, and we left off on the thing that Lupita was telling me, that this picture you can find it without the background, and we left off there. I say, okay, you know what? We're gonna have to get it. And so this picture we can use. We want to use a picture that doesn't have the blue. It's meaning the how do we call it, the transparency. So we need a transparent picture. And I don't know how Lupita was the search that she did that she found it. So let's go ahead and on the slide number 1, try to do that. Because we need
the man on the bike.
Or men on bike transparent. Let's see.
Yes. Or you can right click on the second picture with the man S and then copy and put it on the.
Let me see. Men in bike.
The first one. You can do it too.
Let's see.
So we're deleting and getting another picture without the background.
Yeah, let's see. Without the comments, no, it doesn't come out. So if we maybe filter it and do clip art,
Yeah, go on that one.
clip art, but I don't, oh, here it is. But here is the one we have. I don't. Let me see if it says it has a name. The name for it. Let me see if it has a name for it.
I found on that one, the man on bike.
I know. Let me see if I can. Cartoon biker. It's called biker.
Biker.
Cartoon
But
biker. So let's.
I'm sorry. I typed this way, the man on bike, and I found it.
The actual name is cartoon biker.
Oh. Okay.
So here it is.
Just
Cartoon
because I can't find it. Cartoon.
biker.
Biker.
Let me see if it comes out transparent. I don't see. I see that little guy right here, but it has the blue back.
Correct.
No, I don't see it. I see other ones. Even better looking than that guy. Tiene el pelo para todos lados. His hair is all.
Está fellito.
I know, pobrecito. We can use any other mic if you guys want, okay?
Mr. Vasquez,
Yes.
todavía no recibo nada.
No?
Mm-mm.
Let me check if he left a part. See. Let me make sure that I did send it. See what it tells me. That didn't give me an error. It said that it was delivered.
It's weird. No, it doesn't give me any errors. It says that it actually went to your box. To your Eileen Ed, you know, the one you gave me. Doesn't give me any errors. Usually if it doesn't go through, it will tell me. All right, so I couldn't find that fellow there on the bicycle. We can try a different one. Just find one that is transparent. Transparent meaning that you don't see the background. Like if I use this one, let me show you this. I'm gonna use one just to show you
Mr.
something.
Vasquez, you put man on a bike.
A man on a bike.
Ajá, y ahí te sale ese mismo picture.
Right, let me try that.
Mm.
Man in a bike or on a bike. What was it, Jackie? Man on a bike?
I told you, Mr. Vasquez.
Yeah, man on a bike.
Lupita.
And then I did,
Yeah.
¿cómo se llama ese que nos pone usted que haga uno, filter and clip art? And see, and
Look at
see-through.
this one has more, yeah.
Ajá.
So if we
Ahí
go to
va a salir, just keep looking at it.
I found a monitor that I like. Since you said I could pick whatever I want, right?
that's what I'm saying, because you know, if you don't like that one, we can find a different one. It's fine. This one has a lot of them.
Mm-hmm.
So just I don't even like that.
I put transparent.
I put that
clip
one
art.
with that little character. Yeah, I put that one that you point at it.
And
Yeah,
it
The
came
little
up.
cartoon with the blue bike, green
Mhm.
shirt. That one is
Yeah.
a cute one.
I see, like all these, there's better ones than that guy.
Yeah, like that one too. any of those.
The whole point of this thing is advertising what a bike club. So
Hmm.
yeah, that cartoon, he doesn't even look like he belongs to a bike club.
It looks
It's really
weird,
ugly.
huh?
Ajá. Está feo. Mm. I think he doesn't even want to be in the club. He looks tired.
Really tired.
Really tired.
The one that she got is pretty.
Teacher, go man on the bike and then clip art.
I know, I don't
You
want
go-
that. Look at that. You,
And you're gonna find, oh, okay. You're gonna do different one? Okay.
we can find a different one. That's what I was saying. You can find a different, it's even better. See, looking, this one looks more
Realistic.
more
Yeah, I
realistic.
like that one.
Notice on the background is the picture of an actual bicycle. So this wouldn't go. I think it would be better to find a person. You know,
Okay.
Oh, okay.
realistic, like
Let me
the one where
delete it.
it was really good.
Okay. I'm going to delete.
Let me try this other one here. I'm gonna go transparent. See, any of these guys look like they belong to in a club. This guy even look at, you know.
Okay.
So find something like this, and even this girl, because it doesn't have to be a man; it could be a girl. There's a bunch of I see a bunch of people bicycles when I ride. So men and
Oh, see, the girl in the blue.
women.
Did you do clip art?
She looks happy.
Clip art, and I did the transparent. Let me
Okay.
Oh.
see.
Oh, yeah.
We can choose any.
You can choose anyone you like. And don't
Okay.
forget, this is to advertise a club, a bicycling club. So I'm gonna use this one. But see, notice how this one is not. I have to go to picture. It's facing the opposite way, so I can rotate it by using
Uh-huh. And she matches the other bike.
the rotation tool, which is located where. Let's see. Editing. I don't see where the rotation is. Oh, it's right here, I guess. No, but this will tilt it. I don't want that. I want to do the. No. Rotate right here. The rotation is right here. I can flip. It's called flip vertical or flip horizontal. Let me see. There. See.
Rotation.
Flip her horizontally, and that's kind of like a realistic size of the bicycle, and it looks like she's actually riding right there. See that?
Uh-huh.
So you use transparent man on the bike?
I put men on the bike, but I got a girl on the bike. And see how nice it looks, you know.
Can you do that one more time? How you rotate her
Right here on I go to picture,
picture? Okay.
and it's right here. Look at this, where it says arrange.
All
That is
right.
the rotation thing right here. But you have to click on the
The
word picture,
picture.
and then on the word picture right here. So you select the picture, you click on picture, and then you'll see this.
Oh, okay. I got it. Okay. And what do we do? Send backwards or rotate?
Rotate it horizontal. So I will just turn it the other way, facing the opposite way.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
You know what I was thinking, Linda? I can send it to you, and then to the Gmail, and you can just copy the stuff. Maybe you can copy the slides and just paste them. Well, I don't know. It's a little tricky thing, but
Trying to create the same thing that you guys are doing just from scratch,
okay, all right.
which is kind of a challenge, but I think I'm getting there.
Oh, that's really nice.
See that it's
Thank
even
you very much.
yeah, it's even better when we do it from scratch. That's why the other ones I just completely did it from scratch. Because you learn more when you're doing it that way.
Veronica, I wanted to have a shot of tequila. It's so hard, but I'm trying.
I would take you some. I was born in tequila. I would take you one.
Yeah, we'll all go.
Mr. Vasquez,
Yes.
so el email que me mandó está en mi desktop, pero ¿cómo le hago para que salga aquí en el Outlook?
Right, como en su desktop.
Lo tengo, aquí salió en la computer, en la que tenemos aquí en la office salió, pero lo que es aquí en la laptop no me salió. Y es el mismo email.
Ok, pero ¿cuál email está usando en su trabajo? ¿Ese es de su trabajo?
Ajá, es el de eileen@villamangc.com.
Ese es el problema. Para Microsoft, usted tiene que usar un email único para que pueda llegar el email ahí.
Porque es el que uso para hacer login al 365.
Well, it should be in your email. But see, the thing is, when it goes, the thing is that email, that particular email that you have, it belongs to the company, and they don't. You cannot retrieve. If you were to retrieve that email on Microsoft Office 365, it will retrieve all your email from the company. You can have a company email on Microsoft Office 365 because it's a different email server. I realized that when I saw your the extension of the email that you gave me. See, like that is for a company. So your company has a server. So any email directed to that it's a domain. And that domain, it specifically is identified already to go to your server, to the company server. So when I send it to you, it's always gonna go to your company server. You can use that email for other things, but to receive email, you can only use the company setup for that. So that domain is already set for that. I don't know if you understand. Like me, like if you send me, even though I use my school email to log into Google, I don't get Google email. The email goes through my school. That's why I didn't want to use that for this account. That's why I created a separate account. You needed to, you should have created a Microsoft Outlook account with a different email. That's why I said when that you could create using a different email, like, you know, like if I use my Gmail, which is the problem that Linda is having. She doesn't get the Gmail email from Office 365. Even she used that email for creating the account. It doesn't work that way, you know. Like I have an AOL account. Can I use AOL account to create my Microsoft Outlook, my Microsoft Office account? Yes, but I'm not gonna get the email on Microsoft Outlook. Why? Because AOL has its own server, and anything that has AOL as the domain is gonna go directly to AOL, and that's what's happening on your account. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying, but that domain that is the domain that is part of your email, it has already an owner, basically, and every time, and it's identified to go with to that account.
Okay, so entonces ese no lo puedo usar, tiene que ser otro totally different.
A completely, as a matter of fact, look at I was showing this. Let me just show this really quick because it will clarify this for other users here. Let me just go to my Brave here. Switch my Brave account. See, I'm in my Brave account now. If I wanted to create an Office 365 account, look at I'm gonna do that really quick here. Just to show you Office. Okay. When I go right here to the Office 365, sign in, and it wants me to sign in. But if I don't have an account, let's say I'm gonna use another account. Okay, I don't have an account. No account, look at what it says right here. Then I can create one. Those of you who were here when I did this, you remember that I keep telling you, click where it says create one. So I'm gonna click where it says create one, and then it's gonna ask me to use an email. Now, if I don't have an email, they can give me an email. See, right below it says use a phone number or any other email that you have. Get a new email address. If I click right here, then I can create my own email address with Outlook.com. So anything that I send, it will go directly to your Office 365. And that's how I did it. I just came up with an account here. You notice how it says that I created my own account? I can use my email, but I won't get Outlook email. If I use, for example, my AOL, I can use this. I can use all the programs, but I cannot use the email. And the email is the Outlook email. So you can let Microsoft give you an email automatically. That's what I wanted everybody to do, but some of you already had accounts and use the accounts, and I think that's where all the problem started. And let me switch back over here. So yeah, just create a new account. It'll make it easier for you to get the email and all that. Because I always say, you know, you can have as many email accounts as you want to, as long as you keep them all active. I have several that I use, and I try to keep them all active all the time. At least, you know, once every 3 months you have to log in. Otherwise, it becomes deactivated. They deactivate it because for lack of use. If I think it's 3 or 4 months that without using it, and deactivate it, and then they basically they don't erase it, because once you create an email account, it can never be erased. But it just, you can't use it no more. They don't assign it to anybody else. You know, once it's created, it's good for a lifetime, basically. All right. All right, so this is all we need for this one, for slide number 1. We modify the clip, so it's and then the title is there. Those are the only things that we're gonna do, okay? So you got the background, the title, and the person in the bicycle. One, I think I moved my slides a little bit. Let me see, undo it. There it is. So I'm seeing it line number 2. And we can get rid of this guy.
We don't like him.
I don't like this guy. You can't even ride a bicycle descalzo. It's very unsafe to be barefoot riding a bicycle. So I'm gonna get rid of this guy. And here they want us to load another one here. So all the text is fine. We're not gonna modify the text. The only thing we need is just, another picture here. Maybe event tours, fitness and training rides. So maybe another person on a bicycle. Luckily, there were a bunch of them, a bunch of pictures of people on bikes. So just make sure that you get a transparent, and in this will do.
What do you type?
The
Man-
same on a bike.
Okay, thank you.
We can even do a cartoon for this one instead of a picture. Look at this guy in a little tricycle.
Are you doing clip art again?
Yeah, no, I'm doing transparent. Yeah, clip art transparent.
Got it. Thank you.
Section, yeah, always transparent, because you don't want the background that it comes with. For this, hey, look at Elvis. I don't know why Elvis is in the bicycles. The bike section. I like just the bicycle maybe.
Excuse me, Mr. V, how do you undo when you use the pen to draw something?
Then
I-
do with the undo.
Just do undo?
It will.
Okay.
It should work also.
Linda is your best friend. And do
Yeah.
Is that always because before you panic, go to your friend and do.
Yeah, it didn't undo it.
No
Thank
issue. You have to be patient because it takes a while sometimes.
Okay, thank you.
And do it's a slow process. Trying to delete this and it doesn't want to get deleted. Oh, there it is. So I'm just gonna put the bicycle here myself. And I found a yellow bicycle just like the one they're showing there on the thing. So I'm gonna go picture and I'm gonna rotate it down here. Flip it. There it is. And I'll just put it
Where did you go to find that bike? Because I can't find it.
on the same. You don't have to find exactly what I have. You can find something similar. It's fine.
I got one white. That's okay?
That's good. Yeah. And I like this one. I like it because it kind of like matches what was shown in the picture.
Yeah, it has yellow.
And the only thing is look at the background and being kind of yellowish, it doesn't look that good.
Let me get another one.
Well, it should be a different color, and then we cannot recolor these things. That's the thing. See, on the full version of this, you can go and recolor that. Oh, but maybe I can do but if I do a frame,
I can't find undo. I'm trying to find undo.
it's on the home tab. Yeah, so
Enlarge your page and then you'll see it. Go out really big and then you'll see it.
Vasquez.
oh, I see. Undo is on your home tab right here. Undo. Just wait a little bit because it takes a while. Look, and I'm gonna do the border I did. There it is. I think it looks nice with the border. This picture actually. No, that one doesn't look good. Same like this. Now that you notice with the frame, it enhanced the bike. Now I can see the yellow better than it was before. So I'm gonna just leave it with the frame. So any bicycle that will match will be nice for this. So for the first one, just lady in a bicycle or a man on a bicycle is fine. For the second one, just a bike will be good. I don't know if Eileen was able to create the account.
Where do you get listen.
The border?
Uh-huh.
The border is part of the picture styles. Remember that? Click on the picture, go to pictures, and then go to the styles. And it's just
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Mr. Vasquez, how did you rotate it? I forgot.
on this one, you click on the picture, you go to picture
Uh-huh.
right here. It's like a little thing says rotate. It's like a tiny arrow and a little.
Okay, I see it. Thank you, Mr. Vasquez.
It's just right here. And then it has rotate 90 degrees, left, right, and then flip vertical and flip horizontal is the 180. I just switched it. know if in the last one we'll be able to insert video. I don't think it has a, oh yeah, it has video. All right, perfect. All right.
You have 5 minutes, Mr. Vasquez.
I know. So, and it's slide number 1 and it's slide number 2, just a bicycle. Now we're ready to do slide number 3. See, slide number 3 already has this bicycle here. They want us to insert actually a video on top. All right, so if you're already on a slide number 3, look at for this one, they want us to insert a video online. So we go online video. Oh, but you have to have the video already. This is if you're, how does this correct? You'll see the video. Okay, I see. Your use of online music. Ah, I see how they want it. So we'll have to get the video first. All right, so we have to get the video address. I'll show you how to get the video address right now. There's, Eileen, were you able to create the account or no? No, not yet. Okay. Use the feature that says to let Microsoft give you an account. So I'll make it really easy to create the account.
The email is there, ahí está en el Outlook, pero no, I can't get it on PowerPoint.
But do you get the email that I sent you on your Outlook?
Sí, ajá.
Okay.
Pero lo agarré pues sí, al email, pero en el desktop, en la laptop no.
Oh, that's strange.
Yeah.
Quick, how do we get the outline, the box outline again? We go to picture.
Picture and then the styles.
That's it.
Picture style. And I think I used this. Where is it? One of this I used. It was this one.
Okay.
Well, use the laptop, Eileen, to do it then. Oh, the desktop, if it's easier. It will save to your all right, because when you get it on the Microsoft Outlook, make sure you save it to your to the OneDrive.
Because it's right here, mira. It's right here.
Okay,
It's on there, on the Outlook, pero I don't know how to get it over so I can use it in PowerPoint.
okay. All right, class, let's take a 10-minute break, and that way I can help Eileen to figure out her email, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Vasquez.
We'll
Thank you,
take
Mr. Green.
a minute break, recording and continue. I think everybody's back. Now let me show you here, class, on the third slide, what they want us to do is insert a video. I discovered a problem with the Microsoft online feature for video. Look at what we need to do first is find the video. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We are going to open a new tab on your browser, whatever browser you're using. In my case, I'm using Bing, but because I know most of you are Google Chrome, I'm gonna go ahead and go to Google and do my search on Google Chrome. Okay. Now for Google, if your new tab open Google website, look at it's very easy from the website to go right here. Look at to the app, Google Apps, the little waffle menu, and then find YouTube right here. See that? See how easy I did it? Or you can type youtube.com up there also. It's either way, it's fine. And look at what we're gonna
YouTube.com.
youtube.com if it's easier that way. I just click on the waffle menu and the YouTube was there. But look at, we're looking for, it says a mountain bike. Mountain bike. I guess it's for the video. Mountain bike video, it's called. So I guess any mountain bike video will do, but let's see one that is already, maybe just a short one, like a short video. Okay.
So what do we write? Mountain bike?
Mountain bike video. Well, there's a bunch of them here. All these are mountain bike videos. Oh, this is nice. So, but this is perfect. Look, it's only 4 minutes. So this will work right here. See this? It's called Video of the Year Mountain Bike Shot, bike shot ever, something like that. Best mountain bike shot ever. There's a bunch of them, but you still need a short one. This is a 4-minute one. The other ones are really long, 7, 9 minutes, and so on. We can filter them right here. Look at, if I wanted to, and find one under 4 minutes. See here, under 4 minutes. I put 4 minutes. It's gonna give me nothing but short videos. See, like this one is. This one is. I don't even know how many minutes, but it should be really short. All these are less than 4 minutes videos that I can use for that.
Sorry, Mr. Vasquez, I got bumped off my internet, but what you do, you went to Google and went to YouTube?
Go to YouTube and then do a search, put mountain bike. And if we filter them, it will give us videos that are less than 4 minutes. So I went to the filter and I put under 4 minutes. So all these videos that I'm gonna get now, they're under 4 minutes. So meaning that I can use any, look at this 3-minute video. But I want that is also on the, oh, this is, this is one, this is a good one. Well, no, it's not kind of like a document. This is a nice one. Tips for writing, these are tips for writing. No, this is not, okay, this one. So here's another one. Santa Cruz mountain bike ride for you. So any of these videos will do. Any of these mountain bike videos will be great.
It has to be 4 minutes long
Less than 4 minutes long.
or less.
Here's another one. There's a bunch of them. So find one that you like, and here's another one.
Where did you click for the filters, Mr. Vasquez?
When you do the search first, at the very top says filters, and then it has under 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
So it has different filters we can use to filter the search. Find one that you like, okay? If not necessarily, if you don't find the one I find a different one, it's fine. Like I like this one because it's kind of like the same as in the picture. Even this one right here, it says mountain bike tips how to tabletop. There's another one. There's another one. There's a bunch of them. There's one specialized demo. This one is 1 minute. Well, this is a nice one too. Look at this, a bunch of bicyclists. It's hard to find exactly which one I like because they're all. There's another one. Look at it. It's another one. These are, some of them are just tips on how to do things. So if we put mountain bike ride, maybe we can find something right. But also we want to filter that is under 4 minutes. Okay, here, these are all rides that are less than 4 minutes, okay. Oh, this is a good one. It's a little. There's another one. The all these should be less than 4 minutes, okay. Here's another one. And another, oh my God, look at this guy. It's for tips. I usually get the same. All right, it's so hard to find one. All right, just any of this will do. Just pick one that you like, it's fine. This one is just too many turns and twists. Okay, this one, the ridge line, I'm gonna get this one. So I click on this one, look at it. This is the one I'm gonna use for that. Yeah, how many minutes is this? This is 2 minutes, so.
Taste it, that's why. When off the ride, we can test the first bit.
You know, never mind. It's more like a. That's not what I was looking for. How about this one?
You know, mountain biking is enough to convince me.
Yeah, this is a whole.
It's in the Netflix area.
Sorry for the loud music, but this is okay. Look at this is a whole video on mountain biking. This will do. Look at, once you find the video that you're happy with, it's difficult because there's so many videos. But we just want one that is short, okay? This one is short. It's only 3 minutes, 2:35. So look at, once I find it, how am I gonna put it in the thing? All I have to do is it says share right here. Look at, there's a big button that says share right here. When I click on that, look at, it's gonna give me the link. See this link right here? And it has a button that says copy. So I'm gonna copy the link. That's all I need. I just need the link of the video. Once I copy the link, look at, I can go back to my Microsoft and insert it into the Microsoft website. I mean, slide. So I'm gonna go where it says now insert video, online video, and then I can paste the link here. You can see. I'm gonna go paste the link, and then letting me. So I'm gonna paste the link here. There it is. And there's the video, see that? Now I can insert the video. And here it is. That's what they want us to do. Learn how to insert a video on a slide. I'll do it.
Can you do it one more time? I'm sorry, very slowly, sorry.
Okay, locate your file, your video. I was happy with I said, there's a bunch of them. I just need one that is
Correct.
short, okay? Less than 4 minutes.
Okay.
All I need from this video is the link.
Okay.
If I go to share, it gives me the link right here. Look at it. I can
Share. Oh.
click on the button that says copy right next to it. And that's it. I already have the computer. I'm gonna switch back to my spokes PowerPoint presentation. I'm gonna go to the insert, locate the online video, which is the last option here. And I just need to paste it here. Which is this right here, I think it is. And it's gonna show me a preview right there. Then I can insert it. And the nice thing is I can resize it or whatever, however I want to.
All right.
See if you can find a video and then paste it into the slide. That's the whole exercise on this.
I don't think I copy it right.
Do it. Okay. Not pasting. Look at I realize that it's a little tricky to paste stuff.
Correct. Oh, okay.
Doesn't want to paste it. You have to right click and then paste. And it will paste it right there. And then immediately your video will show right here. If you paste the link correctly, like if I go right click, paste, the video will appear right here. See that? And then you can insert. So that's how we insert videos into slides. So again, once you find the video, we have to go to the share and gives you the link of that video, that particular video.
Okay.
Another video is an example. Another video here. There's so many.
Teacher, okay, it's share.
Share, copy the link. It will give you
share.
The link. Let me see this.
Okay, and they come out Facebook, Twitter, email.
No, just copy the link a little bit.
And then say copy.
Yeah, there's a thing that says copy, a button.
Uh-huh.
I'm looking for a video to do it again. Just give me 1 second here. That's a girl looking. There's some of them are just tips on how to mountain bike. Oh, here's another one.
Okay, I got that. What did they say? Back reality? No. Save as, spring, cast. And which one I have to type to click?
Wait a minute, Lupita. I'm finding one and I'm gonna repeat.
Okay.
But I can't find no more. Here's one.
Okay, I think I found a video. We're putting it on slide 3, correct?
Slide 3. You know what? I don't even like this video. Let me try a different one. I'm just trying to show another one. And make sure that their filters are under 4 minutes. So this one, I'm gonna do this one.
It's just
okay. Here's one. Let's say I want to use this one, so I'm gonna go where it says share, and right here, Lupita, look at next to share, the button that says copy.
Okay.
Click on that button, and what it does, it copies the link to the computer's memory.
Okay.
You can go back to the slide, and then you go to insert, online video, and you paste a link right here. Right click and paste. And if you did it properly, you'll see your video right here. See, this is the new video that I got. Okay. And then insert. I have 2 videos. I'm gonna delete this other one. So here's the video. And I can play it and it plays fine from here. Look at it. Let's see.
Intense, and that's just not the case. Little kids.
every trail. And that's a beginner. That's all beginner.
That's good. Guys,
Over the handlebar, I want to do that.
Don't wanna do that.
Well, those are really helpful, teaching how to bike, and also get him to.
so they're tips for beginners. All right. So you can either do this video or do the other one. See, if I undo, look at what's gonna happen. Undo, undo, undo again. And there's my other video. See, what I'm doing, I always will bring the previous thing back. See?
Next up on the day is Mammoth Rock Trail. This is another great trail, and what I
So this is pretty good too.
and then there's Lower Rock Creek Trail. This trail is a destination unto itself. You just hop in the car.
All right, so it's just different trails. So whichever you like. Like, let's say I go, oh, you know what? I want the other one, but I already deleted. Guess what? The redo command is not available anymore. It's only available if I do it right away. Oh, actually, undo.
Mr. Vasquez, it doesn't want to give me my video. I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Okay, are you able to copy the share link?
I do the share. Let's see. Okay, I do the share, and then after that, I copy,
Copy, and then you go to
and then I go to PowerPoint, right?
slide number 3. You're gonna go to, and you wanna click on online video, and then just look at where I'm at. If you can see my screen right now, I'm gonna the insertion point in the middle of the bar, this bar right here. I'm gonna write. Where that work?
On the middle of it, you said?
Bring it in the middle, because if you try right here, I was having. So don't just go in the middle of it.
Okay.
Paste.
I'm clicking on it.
Right click, right with the right button.
Oh, okay, sorry. That's and then
Paste.
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 Paste. I got it. Thank you.
And then insert, and it will go into your slide. Like
Oh, nice. Thank you. Thank you. I got it. Thank you.
It's a really nice option to be able to do that. Just want to switch. See, I just gonna use this one instead. There. Just place it on, like, I guess somewhere where it doesn't cover the bicycle, like right here, somewhere over here, so that way it doesn't cover.
Okay.
It's really, and when you play the slideshow, let's say I'm on the slideshow, I can play the video here. So it's really nice.
Beginner. I recommend just starting on the Pioneer loop.
What is, can you tell me?
Click and exit it. All right, so see if you guys are able to do this. This is a really more complex task. Inserting a video onto slide.
Okay, I got mine. Thank you.
Yeah, it's pretty good. It's a pretty good feature. It allows you to use videos on your slides.
How do we remove the first one if we change the video?
You can do the undo command, or you can just click on it and the keyboard press. So there's 2 ways to do it: using the undo command, or click on it and then pressing the delete key, and it will remove. You click on it and then press delete, it will go away.
Okay. Got it. Thank you.
Man, people are so crazy. This is so dangerous.
It is.
I picked this video where he's right next to a river. And the road is like 3 feet long.
No, there's one. There's called
Ay, locos.
Goat Trail. Goats Trail is here now in Cathedral City. Oh, it's incredible. These people, they always it's here. This
Oh,
is
it's what, Crash?
yeah,
So
they
I just this ride.
look at this one.
It's about 11:30 in the morning and just got on the trail. And I look up on the hill and there is a freaking mountain lion up there. Look at this.
Can you imagine? Look at
Now on the hillside.
it's
Then I'm out here on my freaking bike.
That's scary.
I know that's the thing. These people are in the middle of nowhere. It's called Goats Trail or Goat Trail. It's in Cathedral City, is the one I'm talking about.
Oh.
And it's dangerous. And I've seen people, you know, I've seen videos of people doing it. It's
Is that the one off of Highway 111?
yeah, it comes out. I think it's this one. See, look at this, how dangerous this is. It's rocks everywhere. You hit something and you hit the rocks.
Feels good.
There's cactus everywhere. It's another thing. Then,
Oh, damn.
dangerous.
Oh my goodness.
They come out to Little Canyon. I think in the street that this one comes out.
That's
Well,
Cathedral City?
no, I don't think this is Cathedral City. Let me
Yeah, because that looks more like Arizona with the cactus.
cactus, yeah. It's called the Goat Trail. They call it like that. Small Springs.
I think that's by Dunn's Road.
Trail, something there. It's Goat Trails is called. This is it. They call it Palm Springs, but it's in Cathedral City, really.
Yeah. That's the drop there. Start the segment.
So Cathedral City is on the background, as you can see here. It's so dangerous. It's mountain bike downhill. The water tank. The water tank is the water tank.
Yeah, here's the water tower drop here.
This thing so you can just forward. See those water tanks is Cathedral City. That's Cathedral City. So I lived there for many years. I know where it begins and ends this trail. But I never done it, but I seen it. People walk this trail also. Yeah, so there you have it. It's dangerous, but people do it all the time. So it's called the Goats Trail, and it's very popular. They do it all the time, and you know, I've seen a bunch of videos for this. Downhill. It's a downhill ride. How dangerous is some of the places. Right? There's people walking. You see that lady there? Walking. Yeah, mountain biking is really dangerous. There you have it. Yeah, it's incredibly dangerous. But people do it all the time. They go and do that trail a lot. So, all right. So once you have that, this is what we need to do. Everybody got their video on it, or anybody needs?
Yes.
I have mine.
It is a little tricky to get it in, but once you find the video, you click on the video. You don't have to play the video. You just you just share the video, copy the link, go to the slide, insert online video, and then you just click in the middle of this thing and then paste it.
Mira.
It will show right here automatically. There it is. See? And then you can insert it. So now for the last slide, they want us to insert a full screen video. So it's gonna be kind of like the same thing, but a full screen. So on this one, we'll go insert. I'm sorry, home. Go to the home tab. Make sure you're on the slide number 3, and we're gonna go new slide. And we want a blank slide. Okay, nothing on it, because we're gonna put a video that will cover the whole image.
Okay.
I just want to, make sure that you know how to insert full-size videos and small videos, I guess. Well, even though the textbook is not quite clear on how they want it, but let's do one full video here. This other video, the search is going to be different. Okay, so let me cancel this. It's going to be, instead of a mountain bike, it's going to be like city biking. So we want, will be
like a courier,
like a just, I guess if we put what, bicycling.
City bikers.
Let me see if bicycling comes up with anything. Let's see what we get on bicycling. Yeah, kind of like city ride, So put bicycling in the city.
You know what I have to say about that? I mean, just like there are bad drivers, there are bad bicycle riders. I've had some that have almost crashed. I mean, and you try and go around them, but my goodness, some people don't belong on a bike inside the city.
Yeah, that's why they're building trails everywhere. So let's put city bicycling. How about that?
Right, the CV link. Amen.
Yes. So here, this is more like it. See, city bicycling. Bicycling in the city is good. You can even put
city bicycling.
Our locals here. See what comes up. If we put Palm Springs.
Bye.
Okay, here it is. So this is all Palm Springs. So any of this would do. Okay.
So we're doing city.
You can do city bicycling or Palm Springs bicycling. It's fine. And we just wanna filter the less than 4 minutes. Okay. Got a bunch of this here. Even this kid.
Oh yeah, there's a lot.
Yeah, make sure that you set it up for two less than four. Oh, here's that one. Look at the 2020 Tour de Palm Springs bike ride. So here.
So we're doing Palm Springs bicycling.
Yeah, that way we get local ones, and you can actually make sure the filter is for less than 4 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
a bunch of the tour Palm Springs. I'm gonna put the 2020 tour de Palm Springs. It was the first one I saw up there, and it's less than 4 minutes. Wow. When did I-
Went back to the Tour de Palm Springs 2020.
2010 is the one that well, where did it go? I don't see it. No, because that one was too long, I guess. It just filtered it out. Oh, here it's 2020 Tour de Palm Springs bike ride. It's a good one to use. Oh, it's pictures. There you have it. Oh, it's a good one. Tour. The pictures and everything. So
It's actually pretty fun. I've done that twice.
you done it?
Yeah. Well, you don't have to go on the super long ones. You could go as short as
Yeah, they have
2
one.
miles, 5 miles. But I mean, there's some people that do the 100 miles all the
Yeah.
way down to the Salton Sea and back, and that's yeah, I've kept it really, really small, simple, and enjoyable.
Okay. All right. So once you find it, share again. Copy. If you're happy with that, find, and then we're ready to insert it. The same process we did earlier. The only difference here is we're gonna put it all full screen. Okay. So I'm gonna go insert it, and then look at this point. I'm just gonna resize it so it fits the whole screen. So the whole slide covers the video covers the whole slide. So make sure that I don't leave anything open here. There. It is gonna be a little deformed, but it's okay. So look at when I play the slide, it's like the whole video. So it's here. So it looks nice. So the whole slide, look at this, is the video. I went to the it hasn't let me finish. Oh, is that
We're inserting this in number 4.
number 4 on the blank slide?
Mr. Vasquez, I get the old video instead of the new one. What am I doing wrong?
I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
We get it to full screen, we just stretch it.
Okay, I was able to paste it. Now I guess we want to fill the whole page with it. Hello?
I don't think he can hear us.
No, I don't think so either. There we go. Hello?
Was off. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, so should we fill the whole page with the video?
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's pretty much it. See that the full version of Microsoft Office has the option to control the video. Here we have no control other than just play it. But it's nice. I mean, at least we were able to see all the two videos. Just a regular video that we can paste, insert, and then a full size, full screen video as part of the slideshow. If it says to do any slides or anything on this thing. The other, because it has a bunch of instructions to do, but some of the stuff we cannot do it. Oh, we'll leave it like that. That's pretty good. The only thing it doesn't have is a transition. So once you have, your pictures for the slide 1 and 2, and your videos for 2 and 4, then you're basically done. All we need to do now is just add a simple transition. So look for a transition that you like to add. Maybe one of those exciting transitions here. Random. You can say random, so that way the program will select whichever. See, I pick a random. I'm gonna go 2.5 and apply it to all. So random meaning that the program will select, the transition for me, random from all the transitions. So I'm gonna have a transition on different transition in each slide. So I'm gonna test it by going to the slideshow from beginning.
Mm-hmm.
The first one, you can see it's like appeared from nowhere. Second transition, third transition, and my fourth transition. My ending here. So it's good. It just gave me basically random transitions, and I apply it to all. But if you want a more specific transition, just pick any of this, okay?
Mr. Vasquez.
Raimundo,
Mr. Vasquez.
yes.
Once you're done with a presentation, can that be done? Can that be sent to someone else, like an email to him?
Look, it gives you the options to save it as.
Okay.
Download a copy, save it as a PDF.
Okay.
As images, you can make it like a picture of each slide. So it will be like different pictures. You can do it that way. The full version, if you have the installed program, you can actually create a video out of it. You can make it into a video.
Oh, okay.
But not that the online. The online only gives you the option to download a copy of it, download it as a PDF, and then also download it as images. Like it will create JPEG images. Like if you had 4 pictures, in this case, 4 slides. So,
Right.
but on the full version, it actually allows you to make a video and make it into a video. I'll show you, you know, everybody.
You have to pay for that full version, right?
Yeah, no, that's the program to install on the computer. If you have the program installed on the computer,
Yes, I do. I have the 365 version.
Yeah, let
Office.
me show you here. If I go, let me switch to my PowerPoint. I'm opening my PowerPoint in the computer just to show you that feature, because it does have that. Then you can make it into a basically into a movie. Let me show you here. I'm gonna switch. This is my PowerPoint on the computer. Okay, the PowerPoint is on the computer, not the online version. So when I'm done with it, I can go where it says File, and I can go Export. See, this feature will export as a video. See, create a video. It can full screen video. Okay, it can do it all, actually in a 4K video, full high definition video, or a high definition video, or a standard video. So it has different qualities. Okay, so let's say I want to do just a regular normal for YouTube or whatever. I go create video, and then I have to save it, and it's gonna create an MPEG-4 video. So it does work really good. It does make the video. You can see here, I can make it into an MPEG video, and PowerPoint will become a video. So it does that too, but this is only available on the desktop version.
Okay.
Mac has that. You export it, and it gives you the. You can make actually a DVD also, packages as a CD or DVD, and then create a video. This option is only available on the desktop version. Okay, not available on the online. On the line, as I said before, we're limited because it's free. You know, they don't want to give you all the options.
But like me, can I get it to the online and put them in a desktop?
Yeah, I'm now switched to my online office. I'm gonna go save as, and I can download a copy right here.
All right. Okay.
Download a copy.
How much the duration, Mr.
2.5. Yeah, 2.5.
Okay, thank you.
Randomly use a different one. If you want to give it a try to the different one, you can do that. Let me see these doors. Apply to all. I'm just gonna
Okay.
fire. 2.5, apply to all. And then right away test it by going to the slideshow, and then from beginning. Doors, let me see what this. I didn't even see anything. Oh yeah, it opens like doors. Oh, that's nice.
Nice.
So this is a cool animation here. Escape key to escape the other thing. So there you have it. It does work really good. Right.
So we could save it now.
You can save it now. Don't forget, if you haven't saved it, it will say spokes. Just all you have to do is just press enter for saving it. It has, as a matter of fact, it saves automatically as you're working on it, because you're working off your OneDrive. So it saves directly. It's what we call saves in real time. Okay. But I know sometimes, you know, you feel like, no, it's not going to be saved. Well, if you think it's not going to be saved, just press enter and it will save it again. Click on this little arrow and press, and I'll save it again. Okay. Go ahead and share with me, because I want to see if you guys were able to do the video thing. Don't forget my email address is PAVAS
59
@hotmail.com.
Okay. Outlook.com, no? Mr. Vasquez?
Outlook. Yeah, Outlook, you're right.
Mr. Vasquez, I couldn't do the slide number 3. I'm gonna see the video and then I'm gonna do it.
You couldn't do that, a video?
No, number 4, I'm number 3. I couldn't paste. They show me control and
no, no.
copy.
No, the problem you were having, Lupita, is this. Like when you go to the online video, you have to click on the middle of this thing right here. Right click in the middle of it to give you the paste. Because I was trying right here and I had the same thing. See, it doesn't give me the option. But if I right click right here, it gives me the option of paste.
Oh.
I was clicking over here too, and it doesn't give me the option for paste. But if you right click over here, it gives you the option. I know it's like an error here, but you have to click over here, somewhere over here, to paste it. Because I had the problem. All right.
25th.
Set up. All right, class. We're pretty much done. I'll wrap it up and send the video as soon as we're done with the class. Okay. So let me see.